If your credit score is holding you back from approvals or rates or peace of mind, watch this before you scroll. Most people don't have money problems. They have credit problems, late payments, collections, accounts they don't recognize, and no clear path for fixing it. Check out our free guide below that'll better help you get on the path to achieving your goals. But if you tried like others, disputing things on your own, or you paid for credit hacks that did not work, it's not because you failed. It's because credit repair is not about tricks. It's about process, compliance, and consistency. We help people clean up their credit so they can qualify for better opportunities, homes, cars, funding, and just a peace of mind. No gimmicks, no tricks, just proven systems that work. Most credit repair services fail because they treat credit like a one-time fix. No, ma'am. No, sir. Credit is a system. And if you don't address the errors, the reporting, and the structure the right way, problems will come back. That's why our process starts with clarity. We identify what's hurting your score, we challenge what shouldn't be there, and we help you rebuild step by step the right way, fully documented. If you made it this far within this video, that means you're ready to understand your credit with a real plan, with someone on your side. Take the next steps. No pressure, just clarity and options. We are here to help you put favor back in your finances.